Welcome to our channel and thanks for our new subscribers. On your demand, we again start the MCQs. Today we will solve 40 MCQs of zoology in perspectives of exams. If you like the videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe the video for getting the next coming videos. The main divisions of chromosomes occur in anaphase. The protein synthesis occur in ribosomes. Blood antigens are present in RBCs. Sex-linked genes are genes located on X chromosomes only. Transcription is the phenomenon associated with synthesis of new DNA, messenger RNA and DNA or transfer RNA. All these options are wrong because transcription is the phenomenon associated with protein synthesis. Segregation of alleles of a gene occurs in diploid individuals. Sodium-potassium pump is located in the liver, heart cells and nerve cells. Pepsin is an enzyme responsible for breaking of proteins. Pacemaker is located in the heart. Follicle stimulating hormones are produced in pituitary gland. Genetic dominance is strongly associated with population distribution. Crossing over is the physical exchange between chromosomes. The type of chromosome is homologous chromosome. The XXY individual in man is phenotypically a male. Amino acids are organic compounds behaving like an acid and base, both acid and base. Which of these can be first living organism on earth? Either the protozoan, algae or virus. All these options are wrong because the first living organisms were bacteria. Ontogeny represents the history of an organism, that is embryonic organism. Nuclear membrane has a structure similar to the cell membrane, the mitochondrion as well as the endoplasmic reticulum. All these options are correct. Osmosis is the movement of solute through a membrane called semi-permeable membrane. Sickle cell anemia is the condition where RBCs default the absence of oxygen. Pond is an example of ecosystem. The type of ecosystem is complete ecosystem. Now, MCQs part 2. Before starting part 2, it is requested please like, share and subscribe the channel. If this video is helpful to you, please comment in the comment box. Despite the structural diversities, they are characterized by having soft body protected by calcareous shell developing from the mantle layer. These are mollusks. The members of the phylum are exclusively marine. These are Echinodermata. How many paired legs are present in arachnids? The four pairs. A true coelom is absent in Platyhelminthes. A single aperture is present in Nigeria. The following represents Enterocoelus phylum are the Echinodermata. It is exclusively a parasitic group. These are Sporozoa. Most species of animal kingdom belong to the class Hexapoda. Insect mouth parts are serially homologous to the legs. The only groups of animals which are diploplastic in nature are Coelenterata. The phenomenon in which larvae become sexually mature is neoteny. Amphibians have the following number of chambers in their heart. The correct option is 3 chambers. The young are born in less developed condition are marsupials. The group marsupials. Limbs of sea cows and sea lions are the product of convergent evolution. In these animals, the teeth are reduced to molars without enamel or no teeth are present. These are sloths. Only hind limbs are lost in whales. Among the following, which snake is non-poisonous? Here, the pythons are non-poisonous. Which one is excluded from the phylum Chordata, which is not the member of Chordata? These are Hemichordata group. The earliest known species of bird is Archaeopteryx. The muscular diaphragm helps to move air into and out of the lungs in the mammalians. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more and new coming videos.